top of the morning, guys, coming to you from East London, bright and early. See, the weather's quite ominous here. It's been raining for like the last 3 days. It's been bucketing down. Really hope the weather's going to be alright in the Transkei. I don't believe it will be, but either way, we're so excited. So guys, check this out, man. We are packed to capacity in the duster. Mandatory coffee stop. Let's go. Alright guys, so these are the car cuttings that we're driving through now. It's basically cutting through a mountain, and it's very dangerous. So I do advise everyone coming this route, going to the Transkei, that you proceed with caution. Yeah, you take it easy, you don't drive too fast. Yeah, never be in a rush when you go into the Transkei, guys, because that's a recipe for disaster. Take it easy, enjoy the beauty around you, but yeah, definitely don't pace it over here. One of the most dangerous spots on this whole road. There have been many accidents, many fatalities here, so yeah, always a good idea to just be vigilant and take it easy. Right guys, so we just had a little mandatory wee stop, and old Jody needs to go drop some weight now, so giving him some tissues. There you go, Jodes.
How you guys? This brother wants to make a video, but he's like,
yeah, bro. Let's go. That's right, bro. Come, let's go, Jody, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Jody, let's go, bro.
I just want you to, this is a very important moment in my life, you know.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you were here to just capture this. So
capture this, exactly, yeah. Bro. Yeah, let's go take a lovely walk down. Okay, this is where I leave you, Jody. Cheers, bro. Where is he? He's like, I can't even see on this thing. He's somewhere there. Take a video. Right guys, so literally yesterday this bridge was coming down, like the water was flowing right over the bridge, and it was really bad. So thankful we didn't have to drive through water now. Sure guys, take a look at how the rains washed out this road. Yeah, this is insane, man. Take a video of Green City. Right guys, so this road has almost completely washed out in some places. It's really hectic. Take a look at this. Luckily we've got the chimney behind us in case we need a little tow up here, but so far so good. Okay. I'm just gonna stop here quickly guys, because the view here is just so insane. Yeah, maybe we'll have a quick beer here. Let's go. Hey! Hey! You wanna dance, baby? Woo! Hey Rev, come here boy. Hey.
That's incredible. Why? Wow.
Guys, this is insane, man. Such beautiful scenery here. Let's pop some beers, boys. Yeah guys, this is the most insane view here. Always the mandatory stop up here. Oh, yeah. HookingJuzza, guys, it's so crazy. Look at the lookout there, you can see the sea was really brown and usually not good for fishing because all the rivers have come down now. So it's turned a beautiful blue sea brown, which yeah, I don't like seeing, but yeah, maybe we'll get a few catches of carp and shad, or who knows what we'll get. We'll try regardless, and even if we don't get anything, it's just awesome being here, guys. We're really so privileged and so blessed to be able to come here and just enjoy this land and enjoy nature and everything it has to offer. So yeah, really feeling so blessed and so privileged to be here. Such beautiful scenery, beautiful bars. How did this yield me so much? Finally reached our destination. I'm not entirely sure where the house is that we're staying at. I have an idea because I've fished down there before, but we'll find it. Go. So we're actually going to try a little different route up here quickly, where there's a bit more gravel and not really grass. And then yeah, unfortunately if that doesn't work, then we'll be pulled out. But the Jimny's up to the task, so let's give it one more go.
Beautiful. Nice, guys.
Guys, take a look at these views. This is insane. Wow, 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 man. Guys, this is insane, so insane. Yeah, boys.
Yeah,
yeah,
boys.
and girls. Yes.
Come, let's go fish, bro.
Guys, it's looking not too bad there for Cobb. So I reckon we're gonna go probably down for like 30 minutes, have about 50 throws with some drop shot and hopefully hook into a Cobb. Yeah, it might be wishful thinking at this point, but we're going to try anyway. We'll try work this whole area down there, and yeah, whether we get or not, that's okay. We've got a little fire going here, which is pretty cool. I must actually stoke it a bit, but yeah, it's a little walk down here. Probably take us 2 minutes to walk down there with our rods.
Yeah. No, view, wait, stand there, man. Stand there. Yeah, stand there for the channel, Buddha. The Buddha's mercy. Oh, wait.
My wife.
Love you.
Yeah, thank you, Jody.
Yes, the Buddhas. Reese, come, me and you are next, Buddha. Come, we must sit down now, me and Reese, Buddha.
Sick, man. Send Mama put all this place in Uganda, just.
I'm gonna send her.
Please.
No kisses allowed. We're still in the honeymoon phase, Buddha. You know, stay not base, first base.
First.
It's a double bed for you guys. You check the mosquito.
There was one, Buddha.
Yeah, bro, you just see
Raining, yeah? But
me and my boy.
going fishing, boys. There we go. There's a little stinker. Hopefully it gets us something.
Yeah, guys. So, man, I don't even know what to say. It's bucketing down here, guys. Yeah, I can't say this is fun. I suppose it is. I mean, because you can laugh. Sometimes in moments like this, guys, all you can do is laugh and just enjoy the rain, you know. Yeah, it's not always that you get with the weather you want, but I mean, sometimes this is good. I think Reese just lost a fish. Boys, guys, Reese just lost a fish. So, yeah, man, there's so much to be thankful for, guys. You know, in a climate like this in South Africa, especially now, this rain can seem so like ominous, and it can seem so negative. You know, if we just think of things like load shedding, and I'm not even going to name the rest, but yeah, guys, we gotta enjoy the beauty around us. We gotta really be thankful for what we have. We live in a beautiful country, and you know, things aren't always going to go our way, but you know, you got to soak it all up. You got to take the good with the bad, not ponder too much on negativity. Don't get into that mindset. Oftentimes we get into this mindset of negativity, and you know, oftentimes then you find that things keep on going wrong because you're almost looking for things to go wrong. But we sometimes just change our mindset, you know, things can seem a lot better. You can really change your life's narrative and start enjoying life, you know, no matter the weather, whether it's raining, whether it's shining, yeah, no matter the outcome. You can find ways to enjoy life, you know, find the little things in life, you know, that matter, that mean something to you, that can bring you joy. So for us right now, it's fishing, and even though it's bucketing down and, you know, there haven't been many bites and stuff, we're enjoying it, we're embracing it. We can make a change in the world if we all adopt a similar mindset of just being positive and being faithful